There are really two things that are critically important. One of them is to have an interesting song that captivates the listener from start to finish. You also need a song that sounds professional when it's played on any type of system. It needs to be clear, powerful, and balanced. If you know how to create a high-quality song that captivates the listener, you're at a distinct advantage right now when it comes to the enormous amount of music that's being released every day. But don't worry, it's never too late to make better music. Our music mentoring program guides you step by step to finish high-quality electronic music fast, so that by the time you're finished the program, you're going to have a step-by-step process to make interesting music that sounds professional and your own commercially polished, mixed and mastered track that you're proud of. Listen, producers who aren't trained to make professional music waste countless hours Googling questions and looking up YouTube tutorials. They don't understand how to put a song together to make it sound interesting, mix it to make it sound professional, and master it to make sure it sounds good on every system. Usually they become frustrated and confused when they try to apply generalized advice to their specific situation, and it just doesn't work. All of this leads to a song that doesn't sound as good as their favorite artist, gets rejected by labels, and isn't being streamed or shared. But if you know how to make high-quality music, you will be proud of your mix, satisfied with your music, and get the attention of artists, labels, and fans, and ultimately feel confident about the future of your music career. The key to streams, the key to getting on labels and playing festivals, the key to your future is amazing music. And this is why we believe great producers aren't born, they're trained. Now there's three elements that go into great training. The first is the right system. This is the exact steps in the correct order to create, mix, and master a song. Next is support from experienced producers, an expert to answer your specific questions, show you what's working and what's not working, and guide you when you're feeling stuck. And finally, accountability structures. This is a system to track your progress and to kick you in the ass when you're falling off track. Let's be honest, most people know what to do, but they don't always do it. Our structures ensure the highest quality of success. This plan is your path forward. This plan is the key to your future. In our music mentoring program, we personally guide you step by step to finish high-quality electronic music fast, so that you feel proud of your music, get the satisfaction of sounding as good, if not better than your favorite artist, and are confident about the future of your music career.